good and tight. So, not tight enough to break the bolts, obviously. So, we got that. Now the last bit that we've got to do is to put a little Dabadooya Lucas on top of these little guys right here, these contact points. There we go. And we have got, we'll take them from the back to go in front. There's number 6. And this is the most critical one back here because you don't want to be dropping the bolts down into the timing gears. So you want to make sure that you got those bad boys under control. Okay. Number 5. Okay. Now, I'm going to torque these to 20. Second click on that. Okay, so now those are down. So that's it. So now it's clean up, and what we got to do is we got to use a razor blade. Oh, good, it landed right there. We're gonna reach back here. We're gonna razor off this silicone. And then we're just going to go back and clean up the surface where the gasket meets the block.
Are you using the right stuff?
No, it's a silicone. I've got it already right here. All right. So after we get this cleaned up, what we're going to wind up doing actually here is we're going to put some Lucas on all the rockers, okay? Right on those rollers there. Be able to, don't want to dry start them, so I'm just going to put them on the rockers right there. All right. that's pretty much it until we get the valve cover done. So we're going to clean up the rest of this. But we have one more thing in store, and that is that we have to do some helicoils on the back. We've got that cap on the back is aluminum, and when the shop in Missouri put it back together, you can guess what they wound up doing. Yeah, you guessed it. They stripped out the aluminum. So we're going to take and we're going to put a bunch of rags in there, and we're going to drill those out 21/32 of depth of width, and then we're going to put an 8x125 helicoil in there, and that way we can cinch them down. So we're going to actually record that, and we'll meld it into this process before the valve cover goes back on. So we don't want any of the drilling flakes or anything. That's why I had to take that doghouse out. So we'll cut to doing that on the inside now. Get the helicoils in, so you get to pick up that as a second measure, and then we'll button up the rest of it.